Welcome to the mechanical department. Let's move to the head of the department. Dr. G. Manavendra, head of the department of mechanical engineering program. So, Dr. G. Manavendra will talk about the department.
I am Dr. G. Manavendra, Professor and Head, Department of Mechanical Engineering. I completed my BE Mechanical from this institute. I proud to say that I am an alumnus of this institute. And I completed my ME Thermal Power Engineering, PDSC Gulbarga. Later, I finished my PhD 2013 VTU Belagavi. Under my guidance, 3 research scholars are awarded in VTU Belagavi. 3 more research scholars are pursuing at various levels. In the department, there are 6 the professors, 1 associate professor, and 17 assistant professors are there. Among which the 15 the PhD candidates are awarded in the department. Our department is recognized by the VTU, the Belagavi, affiliated to VTU Belagavi, and the NBA accredited thrice and a NAC with the A grade during the 2019. Our department research center recognized by VTU Belagavi, and in the research center, the 13 research scholars are the pursuing PhD at various level in the area of composite material, heat transfer, IC engine, fracture mechanics, and precision engineering. Already in the department, the 15 PhD candidates are awarded. In this, the department are excelling in education and also in academic by collaborating with the industry research products and MOU with leading industries and institutes. Is Professor Mamoon TR. He is the in charge of this CM Dela. His brief explanation about this.
Thank you, sir. Myself, Mohan TR, assistant professor in this mechanical department since 15 years. Earlier, I have an industrial exposure. In this lab, computer-aided machine drawing, there in the 3rd semester. In the 3rd semester, student they are able to analyze all the components machine drawing. It is an integral part of the machine design. At the end of the course, they are able to draw each component and assembly and take the 2D drawings. Now I switch over to other slabs, sim labs.
Myself Ashok, assistant professor in mechanical department, having an experience of 16 years and also in charge of computer and modeling analysis lab, which is there for the 6th step. So in this lab, what we are doing is, first we are modeling the elements, then we are analyzing by using ANSYS software, and the results is as compared both theoretical and explanation. So another lab is in this chem lab is computer and integrated machine lab. So that is there for 7th.
Is Professor M. Krishnamurthy, in charge of this lab, metrology and measurement lab. He is explaining about this lab.
Myself, M. Krishnamurthy, assistant professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering. Now, I have served this institute from the last 26 years. Now, I am the in charge of this mechanical measurement and metrology lab. Now, we are doing this lab for 4 semester mechanical students. Now, metrology means for measurement. Metrology is basically concerned with the method of measurement based on agreed units and standard. By using standards, we are going to calibrate the instruments like. By using standards, you are calibrating it is a calibration of thermocouple experiment. The calibration of LVDT, linear variable differential transform. Now to measure the angle of a component by using sine bar experiment. Now this is a profile projector. You have to know the dimension, the various elements of a thread, that is major diameter, minor diameter, pitch and angle of the thread. There is one more instrument, it is called as mesuroscope. Here in this you are going to find out the minute dimension. It is in terms of micron level. Calibration of strain gauge. Now it is the experiment calibration of strain gauge to find out the Young's modulus. Here it is the autocollimeter experiment to know the angular variation, of an indexed table by using a 8-phased mirror reflector and autocollimeter. These are the experiment we are conducting for 4th semester mechanical students.
Is Dr. K. Sadashivappa, Professor and Dean Academic. Sir, please brief about yourself.
I am Dr. K. Sadashivappa. I am working as Professor in Mechanical Engineering Department and also I am working as Dean Academic Affairs of the Institute. My areas of research are mechatronics, fluid power, creep measurement and metal matrix composites, polymer composites. I have guided 5 candidates under VTU and currently 2 more scholars are working under me for their PhD work.
Is Dr. Tippeswamy Ekbote, Professor, PG Coordinator, Machine Design. Brief about yourself.
Myself, Dr. Tippeswamy Ekbote, Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering and PG Coordinator. My area of specialization is composite materials. I did my PhD at BIT, affiliated to VTU, and I did my MTech machine design at BMSC, Bangalore, affiliated to Bangalore University. I did my BE graduation at UPDTCE, affiliated to Mysore University. I have in total about 12 publications, national and international, and now currently I am guiding 3 PhD scholars affiliated to VT University at BIT Research Center, and I guided about 25 UG projects and 15 MTech projects.
Is Dr. A.G. Shankarmurthy, Professor, Dean R&D. Professor, about yourself.
Dr. A.G. Shankarmurthy, currently working as a Professor and Dean Research and Development of the Institute. I completed my graduation from this institute only in the year 95 and did my Masters from NIT Surat and completed my research PhD from Indian Institute of Technology, Roorkee. So currently I am involved in several activities in the department. I am supporting the virtual lab of the institute and also I am the coordinator for ACT activity points, and also I am involved in many of the academic activities of the department in terms of the examination and other research activities. So currently I am working on a ACT RPS project and development of high frequency Mullings spindle in collaboration with Astra Microns Mysore. It is one of the precision machine tool industry in India. So and also right now I am planning to have one more research project with VTU Belgaum. I have applied for the grants, like I have yet to receive the grants from VTU. That is on e-vehicle charging. That is also DICE sensitized solar cells we are planning to design and implement that particular technology in the vehicles. That is another important thing. Like I have produced so many research papers and also I have chaired many sessions in the conference and also published national and international journals. And one student is currently working under me as a PhD candidate. And this is about.
This is Dr. Sharan E.S., Associate Professor and in charge of R&D of the department.
Hello, myself Dr. Sharan, presently working as the Associate Professor in the Department of Mechanical Engineering. I have 15 years experience in this department. I have guided many ECST projects. Around 15 ECST project has been sanctioned till now. One of the students have been ready to get his doctoral degree and have 8 publications in my.
He is Vijay Kumar T.N., Assistant Professor and Department ERP Coordinator.
Myself Vijay Kumar T.N., Currently, I am working as assistant professor in BIT Mechanical Engineering Department. I served from 17 years of experience. Currently, I am pursuing my PhD in VT University, and I have 3 international publications.
Is Vinayak Patil, assistant professor, department placement cell in charge.
Myself, A.B. Vinayak Patil. I am working as assistant professor in Department of Mechanical Engineering, BIT. Presently, I am working as in charge of department placement coordinator. I have 2 international journals, and also I am pursuing the PhD under VTU in the area of natural fibers.
Yemanna KB, assistant professor, department library coordinator. About yourself.
My name is Yemanna KB, Assistant Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering. I am in charge of departmental library. In this library, total number of books are available 1581 and projects are available 589. 120 internship reports are there and CDs and project reports are available.
Is Professor B.S. Umesh, assistant professor, department NBA coordinator. Sir, please over yourself.
I am Professor Umesh B.S., working as assistant professor in mechanical engineering department. So I am serving in this institute since 1996, and at present I am working as MBA coordinator. My research interest is in CAD and CAM. So I have a research. I have registered for research, and I am pursuing research in Oscar Micron's Mysore in spindle development.
Prashant, assistant professor, department of mechanical engineering. Professor, please over yourself.
Myself, Prashant S.J. I am working since from 2003 as a lecturer in this department. So currently I am assistant professor. So my stream is production engineering system technology. So I worked as a placement coordinator from 2007 to 2011. So now I am pursuing PhD in the area of composite materials. So I have published 4 international papers so far, and I am working for the NBA from last 3 years. So this is my introduction.
He is Umesh Reddy, assistant professor in the Department of Mechanical Engineering. Professor, over to you.
Since from 1996, I am working here as a lecturer, and still now I am working as an assistant professor in the Department of Mechanical Engineering. And from 2016 to 2020, I worked as a placement and training coordinator for the institute along with the dean team members. And presently, I am working as a coordinator for NBA departmental criteria 1 and criteria 2. Along with that, I am also the coordinator for Universal Human Values ACT, this one, and also ACT 360-degree feedback coordinator for the department, and also the forum coordinator. Since from 2018 I am working as a coordinator, and also I conducted so many programs through that forum, and also I conducted a national level symposium for the students through this forum, Make I Brings.
He is Mallikarjun VK, instructor of this department, and brief over yourself.
My name is Mallikarjun VK, working from 2004, 30 years experience. I am looking after CAMD, SIM and ANSYS lab.
He is Murtunjaya, instructor of this department. Tell me about yourself.
So my name is Murtunjaya, 25 years experience in first year CAD lab.
He is Suresh VM, instructor of this department. Tell me about yourself.
I am Suresh Shiva. I am awarded diploma in mechanical engineering. I am having 30 years of experience. So I am in charge of lab, metrology lab and design lab.
He is Dr. S. Kumarappa, the professor. He is a lab in charge of ICNG. He is going to be explained about this lab.
Myself, Dr. S. Kumarappa, working as a professor and dean examinations. And welcome to our Department of Mechanical Engineering. We have the comprised multi-cylinder diesel engine test rig. So this test rig is mainly used for the research work. So we have conducted the many projects on, especially on biodiesels and biofuels also. And this is purchased under the model of the ACT and ACT RPS scheme also. So this is a single cylinder diesel engine. So this setup is mainly used for to test the multi-fuel engine. Multi-fuel means, so this engine you can use for the even diesel also, petrol also, even biofuel also. So we have tested the different fuels, even gaseous fuel also. So this is a variable compression ratio engine. So this engine can be used for the fuels, liquid fuels like diesel, petrol, and even the ethanol also. So we have been knowing in the government of India, they encourage to use the flex fuel engine. So we have developed the piezoelectric high pressure direct injection diesel engine. So this setup is mainly used for the purpose of the research, mainly for the research work. So this setup is purchased under the RPS scheme.
Professor Gusraj is in charge of this design lab. He is going to be explaining about this.
Thank you. So I will explain one by one. This is the strain gauge indicator where we can measure the stress and strain that is induced in a material when it is subjected to combined loading. So this apparatus is explaining the stress and strain of a combined load apparatus. Next, this is the gyroscope. This is the gyroscope. Here we are going to calculate the gyroscopic couple of rotating masses. Next, this is the universal governor apparatus where we have several linkages wherein I can have the watt governor, motor governor, Royal governor and Hartnell governor. With all that, we will be calculating sensitivity, stability, and isochronousness of the system. Then this is about balancing of static and dynamic operators, wherein you will going to learn to balance statically and also to balance the system wherein the masses are arranged in the different planes, and the student will learn by drawing the force polygon. They will know how to balance the rotating masses dynamically. Okay, this is the wheeling of shaft operators, where the students will going to learn the wheeling phenomena in the rotating masses. So this is the next one, the vibration test strip, where students will conduct the vibration analysis of the system. There is another vibration system is that, where the student will learn the damping effect in the torsional system. This one is a circular polariscope, where the students will learn to find the stress and strain by observing the fringes that is observed in the pattern. So this one is the vibration test strip. The students can conduct the vibration analysis of a rotating mass.
Welcome to e-transfer lab. This lab has to be for the fifth semester mechanical students. In this e-transfer lab, we are discussing about the three modes of heat transfer: conduction, convection, and radiation. In all the three modes, we are going to be conducting an experiment for the students. The first experiment here is an emissivity of measurement apparatus. Here we are going to measure the emissivity of the given body. And this experiment is a heat transfer in a natural convection. We are going to be find the heat transfer through the liquid medium. In this is a natural convection, and this is the heat transfer in the forced convection. We are using the fan. The fluid has to be used for the movement of the fluid. This is the parallel flow, and the parallel flow comes through the heat exchanger. To find out the heat transfer through one medium to the another medium. And this is the refrigeration, the test strip. We are going to be conduct the performance of the test strip by finding the COP. It is the coefficient of performance of this instrument. And again, it is the conduction experiment. In this experiment, we are going to find out the thermal conductivity of the composite wall. We are going to find out the composite thermal conductivity. It is very important as a property of the material. We have to find out that how capacity to conduct the material. And it is a similar. It is a thermal conductivity of the metal, the bar. In there, it is here there will be the composite. The bar will be there to find out the thermal conductivity of the metal bar. And it is the mode of the heat transfer. That is a Stephen Boltzmann the apparatus for the release. We are going to find out. It is an important the constant to find out the rate of heat transfer for the radiation.
My name is Dr. K.C. Devendrappa, Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering and Workshop Superintendent, BIT Davangere. This is a central workshop. All first year students are carried out the project work here only. Along with also some of the project work also carrying here. Fabrication work also done here. Okay, this central workshop can be divided into the 4 divisions: machine shop, fitting section, welding section and smithy sections. Okay, these 4 sections and get 10 number of staff members are there here.
Feature of the mechanical department is the product development cell. So wherein the several student projects are being transformed to the actual products and which can be marketed. So amongst this we have a document laminating machine. This is called a Surakshit document laminator, and these are the products which have been manufactured in our own laboratory with the CNC facility. And also we have a steady rest which is going to be used to hold the slender workpieces, and this is a direct vacuum pump which is also developed here, and this is the chemograph. This is related with the biomedical instrumentation. So like that we have developed so many products which can be commercialized in the market.